Hey everybody, Sarah here, back with another Plan With Me. Probably a bit more relaxed than last week with Emily. I haven't read all the, I've read the comments, but I haven't actually properly gone through and responded to them yet. But I know that those were some crazy videos. Very, very, very hopped up on coffee. So that was pretty fun. I'm gonna miss having her around when I do videos. But she hopefully we'll sneak her into another one before I leave. She's coming over tomorrow, but I'm already late on filming this, so I figured I would just get this one done. And anyway, so we're into kind of mid-April. I am like 20 days away from moving to Seattle, and I don't have a lot of stuff packed. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of repeats in terms of like my to-do lists are probably the same, like declutter this area, because I just haven't done it yet. But let's just get into it. And of course, this is the kind of like, it's a spring floral kit from Paper Honey. So just to remind myself of spring, because in Canada right now, oh my god, the winds the other day, and it was just like blizzardy looking, and went down to, it's +3 Celsius right now, so that's pretty good. But it went down to like, I could probably keep that in there because we've got the purple going on. It went down pretty cold to like -10 again, which this is kind of the point where Canadians get really annoyed with winter. You know, we're over it. We just want it to be spring, and it's not spring. So while that was happening, I was watching some videos on YouTube of like things to do in Seattle and what like actual, like, I'm gonna say this wrong, Seattleites, yeah, do, as opposed to like all just the typical touristy stuff. So obviously when I first get there, I'm gonna hit up all the touristy stuff, but just quickly to get that done with, and then but then I need to start thinking about like how am I gonna make friends. I just put that on wrong. Oh, and that's permanent, isn't it? Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, pulling up gently. It's okay. Crisis is averted. Yeah, I do recall that hers actually pull up okay. Which is surprising, because for a premium mat like hers, usually they're like a massive pain to reposition, and hers just seemed to be really good. You guys probably know, if you've watched my videos in the last several months, that I have fallen in love with Paper Honey. She's a Canadian shop, not that that matters for me anymore, but and her paper is buttery soft, and I just love it. And anyway, let's speed up through this, and then I'll talk more about how I'm excited about moving now finally. I bet. Okay, so I can get these boxes down. Obviously, these are all very similar in space taken up, so I don't think I need to worry about placement. Although I do notice that some of them have white space on like one side versus the other, but I don't think that's worth trying to like organize them in a specific order or anything like that. The color is all pretty much the same. So anyway, yeah, I'm pretty excited now to move, and so I've been decluttering a lot, mostly clothes, but I'm just so happy that I'm in a mode where it's like just get rid of everything, donate and like I probably cut the amount of clothes that I own in half. I haven't gone through my summer clothes yet though, so could be even more so. My husband was actually pretty impressed when I did a Facebook video chat with him and showed him like the areas that I did declutter, like how much less stuff there is. So shoes, I got rid of like probably 15 pairs of shoes maybe. So I only have like 4 or 5 now. We'll see what I have for summer stuff because I know I have some sandals too. And I'll probably do like another round of decluttering as well. Basically my mindset is that once I move, we'll be in a better financial situation because we're not paying for like 2 apartments at the same time. So I'll just like invest in higher quality pieces but try to be more minimalist, I hope. Because I'm definitely the kind of person that just like hoards things and collects things and buys a bunch of stuff, which is a really bad habit. And you know, I wanna start getting to a point where we have a good savings tucked away so that when we have kids, it's like we've got, you know, things in order and stuff, and that kind of hitting that age where that needs to start happening. So I'm just glad that my brain mindset is in the same place of like, get rid, you don't need this much stuff, less clutter, more like getting out and doing things or whatever. So yeah, and then once I'm there, I really don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I don't even have a desk there yet, so I don't think I'll order one right away. I might order like a table for filming and lighting for filming so that I could get back to that right away or pretty quickly in. But like otherwise haven't really figured out my plan for that. I know that because I know it's gonna be complicated work-wise because I need to go to Canada when I want to work, so I'm gonna have to figure out the bus that goes up to Canada. I've already checked into it, so I know that it exists, and that shouldn't be too hard, I hope. And then really, I think for the first while, it's gonna be getting used to things in the States and eating a lot better, because right now I've been eating terribly, and so like going to the gym. I have a gym at where we live, and we have a pool where I live, which will be fantastic because I love swimming, but I never get to. So maybe I'll actually get back into shape again. That'd be amazing. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm really excited about the weather. Because I'm the kind of person that as long as it's like around 10 degrees Celsius, I'm really happy. And sounds like pretty much most of their winter is like that. So it's like 10-15 degrees there Celsius right now, and I'm really excited because it keeps going to like -10 here, and I do not like that at all. So it might convince me to leave the house more. I know one customer, Diane, you watched the videos, so you were saying let's meet up for coffee, and I'm super excited about that. So it's just so funny that like there's like a couple of customers that live really close to where I'm moving to. So now I can become friends! Yay! I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm just glad that I'm excited, because before I was really like not that excited because it was basically just like me leaving my life. But I'm getting to a point now where it's like, alright, let's do this. So this week I have something on Monday, and I've got the filming on the Thursday, sorry. And then I'm doing kind of like a last girls night on the Friday. And then I think this Sunday might be my last like productivity Sunday with Jess before I leave. Which is kind of sad, but I don't know, we'll have to like, maybe we can have video chats having coffee while getting things done. I think that's it for things like that this week. And then of course, obviously I'm decluttering all the time. So I think I will just start on with pen. And then see if there's any deck of stuff I want to put on or things like that. Okay, so I've got the main pen down. I'm gonna keep this to the side. And this one's from my old freebie for girls' night. Your last kind of get together before everything. And then we've got Netflix binge here from the kit. So I'll use that on this Saturday because I'm probably gonna be pretty hungover. And then we've got laundry day on Tuesday this time. So I'll put that right there. I'm gonna take the planner from the kit, put it over here. And then I've got cleaning day, but there's like every day is like trying to keep things, trying to clean up all the dirt and dust that's getting out everywhere. I've clearly developed allergies to dust or something, because now every time that I do a lot of like decluttering where I'm touching things that are dusty, dirty, whatever, the next day I'm like that kind of wheezy where I was that one time. So now I'm taking antihistamines every day right now just to make sure that I don't start drowning in my own lungs somehow. I think that is it for that sheet. And this I Can't Adult Right Now Cruddle is very appropriate for this Saturday, because it's just gonna be me just probably laying on a couch after that girls' night recovering. Now for the 12 days, that's 12 days until I fly to Seattle. So I'll use one of these Kina prints, cute ones here. And I'll probably have some like little hearts or something I can use from the kit. Just little like heart bubbles. Maybe have a little video chat or just chat with my hubby that day. We'll see. It's a little hard with the time zone. So we usually just don't. I think people probably are really weirded out by our relationship because we're really just able to kind of not talk other than like the typical daily stuff, but it not be an issue. I don't know. For me, I can kind of like compartmentalize. Like, it doesn't clue into me that he's not here. It's like he's not. It's like he's out at work, but it's just for a really long time. So my brain doesn't like get really super, like I don't get super lonely or things like that. So it just works out pretty well. Anyways, this is from Crafterina with the grocery stickers. But now in like 3 weeks, well, 2 weeks at that point, I'll be able to actually live with him again. So, okay, so I've got this one from Hello Happiness Co. for when I invoice Megan. And then also for Hello Happiness Co. I usually use this coffee one for Productivity Sunday with Jess. And for that Productivity Sunday, I'll use this one for my kit, just because these are usually the things that I bring with me. I basically plan in my plum planner when I do a Productivity Sunday. But then for these, I'm just gonna kind of decorate on the Thursday for the one I film. Just to kind of, you know, keep it cute, just making it cute just because we can, you know, just because we feel like it. And use up some stickers, and that's pretty much it. I think that's it for deco as well, so that's pretty much it for this whole week. I'm gonna put this flag down here to cover up the notes word, because I can. And then I think I might add checklists here for like things that need to get done, in case I think of things I need to get done. If I have my planner nearby, I'll write that in here. Probably just leave it at the one. It's mostly, it's like changing our address, things like that, that I probably am not thinking of, getting all the paperwork organized. And packing. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. This might be, let's see, on the 12th. Okay, this is like probably going to be the second last one that gets properly filmed. And then after that, I don't know when the next time I'll film is, or if I'll just film without lighting or whatever. But I will try to keep you guys posted in the Facebook group, so please be sure to go check out the Facebook group. And anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Like this video if you liked it. Typically I post every week, but just know that for the next month or so, it's going to be really in and out while I kind of move to another country. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!